What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
I told her I like my shit
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a how to maintain your curls. Recently I lost my curls. That sounds really weird, but my hair, I have ran out a whole bunch of products, and my hair was, I had to blow my hair out because I was getting it styled. And when I tried to revert my hair back from puffy to curly, it wouldn't. And now I found the products. These products helped me get my curls back in less than 24 hours. So that's why I decided to make this video. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is washing your hair. So I have this shampoo by Soft Sheen Carson. It's a natural shampoo. It's anti-breakage. I used this shampoo last night and it was really good. It has a nice smell. Like, it smells pretty good. It smells pretty like fruity in a way, but not too fruity. Next, I have this shampoo, and I don't really like the smell of this shampoo. It just smells like shampoo, but the last shampoo I had like a nice smell, which is why I was so used to that, but this doesn't smell bad. So yeah, these are the same, just the shampoo and conditioner. So when you're looking for a shampoo and conditioner, you want to make sure they have no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. That's what you want to look for. So before you just pick up a shampoo, before your mom picks up a shampoo, before your dad or anyone picks you up a shampoo or something like that, make sure they read it. You want to make sure they read the expiration dates. You want to make sure they read what's actually in it. So always look at the back of a shampoo and conditioner before you buy it. And next is this shampoo. I haven't used it yet, but this is a shampoo for frequent use. So if I want to wash my hair often, which I don't, so you can still use it as a regular shampoo, but this is just if you want to wash your hair like every other day, every day, so something like that. So the next category is not necessarily a category, but more of a warning. If you see a product that you've never used before, or if you watch a YouTuber and they recommend a product, and when you don't know if it's gonna work for your hair, you go to your hair store and they actually have the product, but they have it in a sample size, something like that. Get the sample size first, and because you don't know if it's good for your hair. You don't want to spend $5 on, let's say, a shampoo, or let's say a conditioner or something, and it's not good for your hair, and you just wasted $5 and you're not even gonna use it. You know what I mean? So use samples. So some samples I have here is this cold wash. I used this last night. Works really good. I used some of this shea butter oil last night. I had 4 packets, so two of these. I used the first one already. This one, I only have one more, and I have 2 more of the coconut oil. Well, 1 more of this one, so 2. Next, I have some Jamaican black ash oil. Never use this, but you can use this for your skin as well as your hair. So you can use this on hair, any body parts. You can use it on your eyebrows, your eyelashes. And then I have this conditioner. So it has coconut oil, honey, and cocoa powder. So the coconut oil deeply conditions, hydrates, and helps repair your hair. The honey naturally retains moisture and adds shine, and the cocoa powder, which is the chocolate, restores and prevents damage and helps promote hair growth. So once again, you want to look at it to see if it has no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, and no petroleum. Okay guys, so the next category I have is detangling. So you want to make sure you find a really good detangler. This is the detangler I have. It's the Soft Sheen Carson Dark and Lovely detangler. It has coconut oil and shea butter inside. So basically you just get it, spray your hair, and then you can use different types of detanglers. Right now I am using this. It's not a wide tooth comb, but that is the size of it. This is what I've been using. but I want to get a denim brush or a tangle teaser. There's a third one, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll put all three on the screen so you can see, and I'll put the names underneath so you know which one is which. So that's detangling. Next is moisturizing. So I have a couple of different moisturizers. So the first I have this Motions moisturizer. It's a wetless daily moisturizer. So, you know, so moisturize daily. You want to moisturize daily because you do not want dry curls because your hair just won't be good. Next, I have this curl enhancing cream. So just peel it and it just talks. It's like this because I peeled it. It was like really sticky. I tried to peel it here and I got it here. And basically it just talks about, sorry for the light. I don't really want to tap it because I don't want to mess the lighting up. But as you can see, it just talks about the product. And then I have I have a curl hydrating cream, which just hydrates your curl. And I thought this was messed up, but it's like a jelly, and I thought it was like messed up, and I was about to take this back to the store, but it's not. And lastly, I have this defrizz spray. So you just spray it, do that. Well, that's what I do, and my hair stays non-frizzy, and this adds shine, so your hair can shine. Let me just get my lights. So yeah, that's what I use. I hope that if you go try to find any of these products here, you have luck finding them, and you know they work really good for you. I think I have 4 something here. I'll put it on the screen, but if not, that just means I don't know, or I haven't found out yet. But hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what products you think which one you'll try. And if you do try them, comment down below if they work, to help everyone, to help other people out. So yeah.